Okay, so we're home from Walmart, and this is what we got. Let's see.
Yeah.
Beautiful air fryer. I think I need help. Hold this phone, baby.
Okay.
Don't push nothing. Hold it so I can take it out. Oh, so pretty. Bring it over here. Oh, look at that. It's beautiful. So pretty.
Yeah.
Nice. Look at that. That is huge, and you can take the middle out and get just one big one. So pretty, huh?
Yeah. Mom, hurry up. It's gonna be almost done. It's gonna be almost done.
Okay, so we're gonna plug it in and see what it looks like too.
Okay.
To be continued.
Where is it? Where's the continue?
It's not over. It's still from. We still have time. Let's go plug it in real quick. Hold this.
Continue. Yeah. This one is sitting now.
That's the old one.
We're gonna get
Show the
that.
old one. We're gonna replace the old. This is the old one. We're gonna replace it with this. Beautiful. Drew Barrymore. Let's see what it looks like. I'm hurrying. What do you do? Look how pretty.
Can you pick?
That is so pretty. Not yet because we got stuff in there, but it's so beautiful. Look at that. And these are on sale right now at Walmart for $119.
Turn it off.
So beautiful.
Can you turn it off?
Turn it off.
Off.
So pretty, like my beautiful granddaughter, right?
Yeah.
So pretty.